Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to submit an assignment on Google Classroom. So the assignment that I have chosen is Wednesday 4-1 assignment. It says today's assignment is an editable Google Slides, and so I'm just going to pretend that I've completed this assignment and I need to turn it in. So if you click on the assignment, it brings you to this window. In the top right hand corner you should see this box, and if you can see right here, there's already something that shows up. This is because my teacher has created a file for me to use, and I can go ahead and click on this and it will open the assignment right up, and then all I have to do is hit submit. If this box does not show up, you need to click on Add or Create, and then you need to click on Google Drive. Do not go down to the tabs that say Create New, because that will open a blank document. If you've already finished your assignment, then you're going to want to click on Google Drive and select the assignment from your Google Drive documents or slideshows. Alright? Once you select that, then you can go ahead and add it, and it will show up right here. Now, if your assignment has already been created for you, all you need to do is click right here, and this is the assignment that you will be editing, all ready to go. And then once you're finished, you will hit turn it in. Always make sure that you turn this in. If you do not turn it in, it will look like you are still working on your assignment and your teacher won't be able to tell that you're finished with it. Also, if you go back to your main screen, this icon has now turned gray because you completed it. If you did not complete it yet, it would be blue just like this bell ringer, because I have not completed this bell ringer. So now I'm going to go into the bell ringer and I'm going to type some random stuff in and hit turn in. And now when I go back to the main page, it has turned gray because I do not have anything that I need to finish. Thank you.